In this video, I will show you how to fix archived stories missing or not working on Instagram. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to tap on the profile icon on the lower corner, click on the three lines on the upper corner, and then you just have to search for archive and click on that, and then click on these three dots on the upper corner. Now you just have to click on settings. Once you see Save Story to Archive, all you have to do is toggle that off for about 10 seconds. And then toggle that on again. If that still doesn't work, all you have to do is to go to your settings, look for apps, and then click on apps again. Now you just have to search for Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, all you have to do is to click on storage and then tap on clear cache. This will enable the Instagram to restart its course of program. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!